Since the beginning of October, protesters in Iraq demanding a better life, better public services and an end to rampant corruption have been met with a hail of bullets and water cannons by the authoritarian regime. Such lethal force has murdered at least 105 people and wounded over 4,000. The Iraqi authorities must stop. We in the European Parliament must demand the government in Baghdad to listen to its people and rein in its security forces. We must also ensure Iraqis' right to freedom of speech are guaranteed, and that also includes the free use of the internet. The Iraqi government is obligated under international human rights law to protect the right to free expression and peaceful assembly. The authorities should release all protesters who have not been charged with a recognizable criminal offense. And lastly, we should also raise our concern about collective punishment measures being deployed by the Iraqi authorities against its own citizens thought to have relatives who joined Daesh. Those measures are illegal and risk starting a new wave of violence in Iraq. Thanks.